Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a easy level question that I just resolved on my own after over a year. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help after over a year. So you can see I first solved it October 7th of 2024 and I just redid it by myself not too long, about 5 to 10 minutes ago. So let's do it again. So I actually found this description a little bit hard to understand because I misunderstood the question and then I ran a test case and then I was able to see my own mistake. So yeah, a little confusing. So basically you have n integers in this and you want to apply n minus 1 operations. So let's go ahead and go step by step so we don't make mistakes again. So exactly count operations, right? Okay, let's do that. Is length of nums minus 1. So let's first, you're going to apply on the ith element of nums. This is where I actually misunderstood the problem first, but it's okay because I quickly caught my error and was able to resolve it quickly. Basically, you only want to apply one operation, not on all the elements, because we're only going to apply this on the 0th and then the 1st and then the 2nd and then the 3rd. So you can see from the explanation, what I did was first did a for loop each time and compared the right element to swap them. But yeah, anyways, so just good to really understand the examples before just jumping into code, because I know that's a mistake in interviews where, even though you could solve the problem, if you just jump in and sort of just assume things, that's not good, right? And in any coding interview, you want to clarify the requirements and you want to ensure you're on the same page as the interviewer before you just jump right in and start coding. And then you don't start coding until you get the green flag from the interviewer, right? So yeah, just mentioning that because it's burned me before. But yeah, so let's do exactly that. Let's call this value while count is bigger than 0. So count operations. Now where value is I, right? So if value plus 1 is less than length of nums, because we don't want to go out of bounds to the right of the array. So if nums of value is equal to nums of value plus 1, right? Then we're going to multiply nums of value by 2, right? And then we're going to set nums of value plus 1, the element to the right, to 0. Okay, cool. And then we're going to subtract count. And if we print nums, we should see what we're looking for. Okay, let's indent this properly. Okay, so it does not look correct because we're supposed to add 1 to value each time, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we just want to basically drag all the elements as far left align it as possible, and then keep all the zeros to the right. So let's do that. Let's do one pass for all the numbers that are not 0, exactly in the same order that we see it, and then all the numbers that are 0. So let's call this answer for n and nums. If n is not equal to 0, then let's go ahead and do that for the first pass. Non-zeros, and then for n and nums, if n is equal to 0, then we're going to append n. So this, like this, right? So non-zero and then 0. So cool. All right, and then we can just return answer at the end, right? So let's run this, submit it, and there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. So yep, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.